Ever wondered why your toast turns golden brown, or why your cake rises? No, it's not magic, it's chemistry. That's right, every time you cook, there's a chemical party happening in your pot. Let's dive deep into the bubbling, caramelizing, and browning world of culinary chemistry. The Maillard reaction. Say hello to Mr. Maillard, the genius behind that golden crust on your steak and the toastiness of your toast. When amino acids, from proteins, dance with sugars at high temperatures, they produce brown compounds giving cooked food its unique flavors. Next time your toast turns too dark, just tell everyone you were experimenting with advanced Maillard chemistry. Baking powder and baking soda, these aren't just fancy white powders. When wet, they release gas. No, not that kind of gas. We're talking about carbon dioxide. This makes your cake or bread rise. Think of it as the food's way of taking a deep breath before being gobbled down. Caramelization. Ever notice how sugar melts and turns brown when heated? That's because it breaks down into hundreds of compounds, leading to that oh-so-heavenly smell and taste of caramel. It's basically sugar having a little spa day, turning into a golden diva. Fat and emulsions, butter in cookies, oil in mayonnaise. Fats play with water in unique ways. Sometimes they mix, sometimes they don't. It's like an unpredictable soap opera. This dance between fat and water gives food its creamy, dreamy texture. Acidity and bases. Ever had ceviche? Fish, cooked in lime juice without heat. That's because the acid in the lime denatures the proteins, similar to how heat does. And bases, like baking soda, can neutralize acids, making your tomato sauce less tangy. It's like a culinary seesaw. In conclusion, cooking isn't just an art, it's a delightful dance of molecules, an explosive extravaganza of elements. And guess what? With every stir, fry, and bake, you're not just a chef, you're a chemist. So, next time you're in the kitchen, remember, cooking is basically edible experiments. Bon appetit and happy experimenting!